everyone, welcome back. I hope that you guys are doing really well and that you're safe and sound, and so are your loved ones. I know that the lockdown has now been starting to get lifted, and we are getting back to our lives that used to be before. So I really hope that you're still taking care of yourselves and taking all the necessary precautions and just making sure that you're taking care of your health, And speaking of lockdown, I know that we couldn't really step out, especially to go to the salon and take care of our skin, pamper ourselves, get that facial, get that cleanup. We couldn't really do that. And which is why I am going to speak about an at-home facial kit in today's video. This is the Pond's Charcoal Anti-Pollution Facial Kit. Pond's actually came out with two facial kits. This is one of those, and the second one is the Pond's Vitamin Brightening Facial Kit. I do not have that here, but I have tried this one, and this is what I'm going to speak about in this video. I'm going to share with you everything that I possibly can about this product. Right from the packaging, the cost, the hero ingredient of this product, also the demo. I'm actually going to take you guys through the entire demo. I'm going to speak about each step, also the benefits about this product and what I think about this product, along with where you can find it. So first things first, let's begin with the packaging. You already saw that it comes in this box over here. It's got 6 tubes on the inside. Each tube is 12 grams and there are steps written on each particular tube. So it's a 6-step at-home facial kit, and each tube has a number 1 to 6 written on it. Basically, they've actually simplified the entire at-home facial process for you. So, it's kind of guided in a way. Also, what I like about the packaging is that it's not only cute and sleek and all of that, but it's actually very convenient to use. That means you're not going to break it, you're not going to spill it, nothing like that whatsoever. It's in a tube form, so you can easily store it and travel with it as well. It's costing 300 rupees, which I think is genius pricing for an at-home facial kit of 6 steps. I think that's really amazing. But one more thing, I actually found it for rupees 225 on Nykaa. I really hope that it is still discounted, so I'm gonna look it up, and in case it is, I'm gonna share the link with you in the bottom bar so you can check it out for yourselves. Also, one more thing before we proceed further is that this kit, in my opinion, if your face is the size of my face, this can be used for at least twice. You're still going to be having some product that remains in the tubes after 2 uses for sure, but you can definitely do a full-on facial twice, in my opinion. Now, moving on to the hero ingredient of this product, which is charcoal. Charcoal actually helps to deep clean our skin. It's going to help you detoxify your skin, especially it helps to get rid of impurities. It helps to fight any damage that has been done to your skin due to pollution. Basically, it's going to help you get rid of all the toxins. It's going to cleanse your skin from deep within and give you clear, bright, beautiful looking skin. All right. And now in the demo, I'm going to be sharing with you each and every step of all the 6 tubes inside of this box, and I'm going to share with you every benefits of every single step as well while applying all of that. So in case you're interested, please keep on watching. Step number 1 is to use the face wash. You want to make sure that you're starting with cleaning and cleansing your skin first. All you need to do is wet your face and take this face wash, create some lather and massage this into your skin. And once your skin starts to feel cleaner, you can rinse it off with water. This face wash has activated carbon in it. It helps to remove impurities and pollution particles which may have been settled on top of your skin. Step number 2 is to use the Pond's Pollution Off Scrub. What you want to do here is take some scrub and massage this gently onto your skin for about 5 to 7 minutes. It just helps you to get rid of all the impurities and all the dead skin cells which are sitting on top of your skin. This scrub is enriched with walnut shell powder, which helps to exfoliate dead skin cells, and it removes excess oil as well. And you can wipe it off with moist cotton. Step number 3 is the Pond's Nourishing Crème. This is something that is going to help you hydrate and nourish your skin. All you want to do is take a little bit of this product onto your fingertips and massage it gently into your skin till it gets absorbed. This is rich in vitamin B3 and vitamin E, and it helps to hydrate the skin, and it's going to nourish the skin, like I said. Moving on to step number 4, it's the Pond's Massage Cream. All you got to do is massage it in light upward strokes for 10 to 15 minutes. And you can use water if you like. If not, it's absolutely okay. This has glycerine and oat extracts as well, and it moisturizes and gives the skin a very healthy glow. And then you can wipe it off with moist cotton. Step number 5 is the Pond's Charcoal Peel Off Mask, and you gotta apply this in a thin layer over your face and neck. Make sure that you avoid the eye area. This is enriched with bamboo charcoal. It helps to remove blackheads as well, and definitely brightens the skin as well. Leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes, and once you think that this has dried off, you can rinse it off with water. You can use cold water as well, and then pat it dry. And last but not the least, for your at-home facial is the Pond's Pollution Protect Cream. Take some cream on your fingertips and gently apply it all over your face and neck, and you're ready with your facial done. This is gonna help you to protect your skin from pollution and restore your skin's glow. And that, you guys, is how my skin is looking after all of these 6 steps. Alright, you guys, so that was the demo. I hope that you enjoyed watching it and found it useful. Now, coming to the points, all in all, like a short gist about what I think about this product. First of all, it helps to hydrate the skin for sure. Also, while hydrating the skin, it also helps to take care of that excess oil in your skin for sure. I also want to say that this is meant for all skin types. I have dry skin, I have sensitive skin, and this actually worked really well for me. The next thing that I want to mention is that this helps to brighten the skin. It helps to restore the glow. It's going to help you tighten the skin. It's going to give you that youthful feel. It helps to deep clean, obviously due to the charcoal in it, which I mentioned earlier. So that's going to help you get rid of all the toxins, all the impurities, all the pollution damage that has been done to your skin. It's going to help you reverse all of that and give you clear, bright looking skin for sure. So these are a couple of things about this product which I noticed and I thought I should share with you as well. Now, one thing I really want to mention also, it helps to reverse tan as well, which I think it gets included in pollution. One thing I really want to mention over here is that over here they have written it helps to remove dullness and pollution to uncover fairness. You guys know that I do not speak about fairness products, but here I'm trying to give the benefit of the doubt to this product because I've understood kind of, about every single step over here, and they've written over here that this helps to remove dullness and pollution to uncover fairness. So what I'm trying to understand again is that this helps to get rid of all that excess, all that layer which is sitting on top of our skin. It's going to help us remove all of that, and that way it's going to help you uncover the skin that you already had, which was clean and clear deep within before all that pollution damage, so basically not fairness in my opinion, but the skin that you already had, like clean and clear skin. So I just thought I should bring it up here and I should mention it because you guys have your faith in me when I speak about products and reviews, and which is why I just had to do that bit. All in all, I would really recommend this product, especially for the price range that this is at and the amount of benefits that this actually gives to you in return for a DIY facial at home. I think it's really amazing. You can check it out. I'm going to link it for you in the bottom bar. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope that you found this useful. If you did like it, you know what to do. Please give me a thumbs up. Write your thoughts in the comments below. Have a good day. I will see you guys super soon in my next one. Bye.